Welcome to the Tiree Wave Classic 2021. We are here with Cross-Shore Media, an independent company that facilitates both rental and operation of stabilised remote-operated specialist cameras. They will be covering every second of competition at this year's event using two high-end cameras that will be fixed to the top of one of their transporters.
So we reckon to get the best shots during the competition, we want to be quite high so we can see over the breaking surf line, get the guys when they're riding down the line. So Sam's up the top there putting the rig on, so we're ready to go.
So right now it's just tightening up the bolts that holds our extended tower for our camera onto the top of the van. I'm just checking this side of the van so that we're all tight and ready to go.
We can go set up somewhere and get a nice static shot, or we can go do tracking shots along the beach or get in the sand dunes, see what it's going to need on the day. More day to day is putting on boats, so tracking shots on the boats, on the jet ski, or onto cable cams, so putting all different types of sports. We're trying to put movement into the broadcast, so there's always something interesting to look at, even though the actual activity itself might not be too much going on.
With a camera mounted to the top of the van, they can move from one location to the next in moments, capturing action every step of the way. A perfect solution for keeping up with last-minute changes to competition locations during the event. And with Sam and Andrew both also avid wave sailors, it gives them some extra time to get out and enjoy the water.
Yeah, it's a pretty hard one to say no to really when you get the call.
I've always wanted to come to the island and to mix work and play is like a dream combination, I'd say.
It's just an exciting thing to be involved with and we love it, so we get out on the water, playing with cameras, got spanners in our hands. What else do you want?